Welcome to our tour and review of Amawaterways Amadara River cruise ship. In this video we show you all the facilities on all 3 decks of the ship. We discuss food, the spa, laundry and the all-important crew. Let's start with some Amadara facts. Built in Vietnam in 2015, she's 302 feet long, 46 feet wide, has 52 crew and 62 staterooms, meaning at full capacity has a passenger count of 124. The sun deck on the Amadara was one of our favourite places to be. Activities start on the pool deck as early as 6:30 with morning stretches with Ali. Classes continue throughout the day. As well as Ali's classes, the pool deck also hosts cooking demonstrations and the hilarious tropical fruit tasting. There's a lovely little swimming pool which is perfect when cruising through Vietnam and Cambodia, with lots of comfortable seats and sunbeds too. If you fancy some al fresco dining, you can enjoy your lunch here too, with menus changing on a daily basis. And if you fancy a pre-dinner drink to watch the sun go down, the lovely bar team of Tuan, Norang and Shrelek are waiting to serve you, with the bar closing around 10 PM. For your information, all drinks are included during mealtimes. Outside of mealtimes, local beers and spirits are included, but wine and cocktails cost extra, as you can see here.
Do you have wine?
Wine we have, my dear, but we charge to your cabin.
Okay.
We include only in dining room with the meal.
Yeah. How much is a glass of wine?
$6 for 1 glass.
$6. Okay,
yes.
Well I'll have a glass of wine, please.
Yes.
But all the spirits, are they all included?
Yes, my dear. It's all included, like beer, gin tonic, vodka, rum, whiskey, brandy.
Okay.
Yes.
And
drink.
And you can have them just with Coke or whatever.
Yes,
yeah.
Of course.
And that's all included?
Yes.
Okay.
Juice. We can mix in with juice like gin, vodka, vodka orange, or tomato. Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So also on deck 3, you'll find the small gym. So here you can see it's nice and air conditioning. Look, there's a little bird that's going to say hello. Ah. Anyway, so you've got obviously a running machine there, you've got a cycle and you've got a stepper. So for a little river cruise ship, that's not bad at all. You've obviously got some weights and you've got your mats there too. Water and towels and obviously hand sanitizer. So if you fancy working out, you've obviously got Ali's classes that she does, her yoga classes and stretches on the sun deck, but you can also use this whenever you want. And it's at no extra charge.
Just behind the gym on deck 3 is the aft viewing area, giving you fabulous views over the back of the ship. If you love wake views, it's definitely the place to be.
Now let's talk about spa on Amadara. You can book it anytime you want, providing obviously that slot's available. And as you can see, the prices are really, really good. We were very surprised when I opened this up and found that you can get a 60-minute oil massage for just $45, which from a cruise ship point of view is really, really good. And as you can see, you can have manicure, pedicures, facials. There's also, you can have your hair done, and also they do a hot stone massage or some packages for you. You make your reservations at reception. They need at least 3 hours in advance for cancellations. So that's Amadara Spa. So to deck 2. And this is where you'll find the little shop. And also where you'll find the lovely morning. The lovely reception staff based here. Good morning. And this is the little shop. So let's show you what's on offer for your souvenirs. And on the other side is Marcus's desk, which you can just find here. So easy access to the hotel manager. Then you go straight in here and you come into the lounge. which is our Saigon lounge. Here is where you can pick up all your free postcards, and they post them for free too, which is just amazing. And obviously more information if you want to cruise with Amawaterways again. So, but this is a fantastic lounge where you can sit and do a jigsaw. This is where they have all the entertainment. So they have all the local shows, the local performers that come on. This is where Tung does all his information talks. This is where John the DJ sits on an evening. So, but this is where you can get a light breakfast if you want, and there's snacks all day. You've got your cookie jars, your snack bars, but it's a lovely, lovely lounge with access to look at the front. So wherever you go on the ship, there's views, which is amazing. You can also get your iced tea, your iced water, different teas and coffee at any time of the day. It's all complimentary, and the bar staff here are just fabulous. But we love the ship, that it's wooden, the dark wood. It's just very keeping with the destination of Asia, and we just had a fantastic time. So do check out our vlogs, because it's been absolutely awesome. And what else is complimentary is you also get these nuts, but be careful of those because they're wasabi. Morning!
Morning, Carole.
And then in the corner here, this is where you'll find some books. If you want to know more about obviously the areas that we're visiting, which is Vietnam and Cambodia, you can find that there. Or you can do yourself a jigsaw puzzle, or just get yourself a little book and have a read. So then if we go down to deck 1, this is where you'll find the restaurant. We're heading for breakfast now.
Right then, this is the Mekong River restaurant. Now when you come in, normally on those little plinths there, it'll show you exactly what's available on the menu. As you can see, there's lots and lots of tables. It's all set out ready for tonight's dinner, which is unfortunately the final one of the cruise. As you can see, it's just it's a lovely big area with lots of windows. Now over in this corner is what they like to call the live cooking station. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, there will always be items that are prepared here, fresh, made to order. From things like noodle soups, omelettes, curries and all sorts of stuff, you name it, they knock it up here right in front of your very eyes. This area here is where the buffet is, for breakfast and for lunch. There'll be a buffet laid out here, whether it be your breakfast buffet, which will be all fruits and bacon and beans and mushrooms and all sorts of stuff, hash browns, you name it, it's all there. There's lots of lovely fresh bread. On a lunchtime, there's a great big salad station that goes all the way around both sides. You usually get some pastries, would be here if you were coming in the morning. And over there, which is currently occupied by bread baskets, that is where you'll get your desserts and your juices.
The a la carte breakfast menu was the same throughout the cruise. However, the lunch and dinner menus changed on a daily basis and would reflect the area you were in at the time. On the lunch and dinner menus, there was also an always available section that included vegetarian options and old favourites like burgers and steak and chips. If you did have any food allergies or special requirements, Makara, the restaurant maitre d', would be more than happy to sort that out for you.
So all very well laid out. This is the table we like to sit at, but just a lovely space, and the service and food in here has been absolutely spectacular.
So the chef's table is accessed through deck 3. I'm going to take you down, and there should be nobody in here at the moment because it's in the morning, just to show you the space. Right at the back of the ship. It's obviously not set up for dinner. Well, one table is at the moment, but this is where you have your chef's table, and as we said before, this is included in your price. It doesn't cost extra, but it is a specialty restaurant, and the food, as you can see from these pictures when we visited on a Thursday and had this table here, was absolutely fantastic. So make sure when you get on board that you book it early, because it is really popular. Friends that we made, Tom and Jane managed to get in twice now because someone cancelled. It was that good. So yes, so this is the chef's table on Amadara, and we definitely recommend booking. So let's talk about laundry on Amadara. You can fill your bag with anything you want, washing, and fill in this list here. And as you can see, it's not very expensive at all. We've done 2 lots of washing while we've been on Amadara, and it's been back really promptly. It's back the same day, and you find it. We thought, oh, our laundry hasn't come back, but they'd already hung it all in the wardrobe. If you need any laundry doing on Amadara, it's not an issue at all. And like I say, very prompt. And we felt that actually the prices were really good.
We had a fabulous cruise on Amawaterways Amadara, and the amazing staff definitely enhanced our experience. Nothing was too much trouble, and service was always delivered with a massive smile. The crew talent show was one of the funniest things we've ever seen. Now watch our vlog series and cabin reviews next.